Hello guys. Today we are going to work with the tables. How we are going to handle the tables in Playwright. Okay. Now I have taken one example. So this is a list of current Indian chief ministers. Okay. From this, we will try working with multiple table workflows. Okay. What I'll do now first initially. Okay. Table. I'll create one folder table. Table test cases. Okay. Okay, first one, what we'll say, we'll try to find out the column count. Table column count. How to find out the table row and column count. Row and the column count. Okay, table row and column count. I'm copying this test case. For now, we don't need to write from the first. We already wrote no test cases, right? Okay. Give this URL. Chief ministers. How many chief ministers are there? Okay. This is our URL. Okay. Now we need to find table rows. Okay. Now go here, identify the locator for this. Copy this. Mm, This is our table, starting table. Control F table. Table. This is the table. Okay. Space table row. But a lot of tables are there. Okay, everything is one or two. No, table rows are one or two, right? Go with this table. This is one table. Table, right? Okay. Other tables, right? Copy this only. Get this. Okay. Table, pick the class, unique element. Okay. Wiki table, just copy. We are trying to find out for unique name. Okay. 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 This is our unique table. Space here. Okay. Table rows, 32 rows are okay. Control C. Await age dot locator. Give this element dot. Okay. Constant table rows. Okay. Console.log. Log it news table rows dot count. Okay, we will run this test case now. Okay, it is giving array function, right? Just add dot count here, right? Hmm. Okay. See, 32 rows, right? We got 32 rows. Okay. Now table rows. Now column count. Same column count, right? Now go here. Table rows, right? So table rows are coming T body table rows, but column count are coming T head. Okay. Under T header, table row TH. Okay. Now go here. T head. Okay. Space table row space. Table row is not required. TH. Table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Okay. Go here. All right. Page dot locator dot count. Okay. Here assign to one variable constant table column count equal to same you paste here column count. Okay. Now we will run the same test case. See table rows are 32 and table column count is 8. Show the report. See, this is the test case we executed. You are clear, right? So what are the table rows? If you want to find the table rows and columns of your table, so this is the way you can find it. Okay. Thank you.